V500 is a brand new self-developed by Feima Robotics, a lightweight and high precision, long endurance pure electric vertical takeoff and landing fixed drone system, focusing on efficient data acquisition. GCP-free mapping, flexible and portable, innovative wing body fusion structure design. The orthography version takeoff weight is 6.8 kilograms. Standard orthography, oblique, and stereo mapping 3 versions. Meet the customized needs of different users. V500 airframe platform. Modular quick release and folding design. Assembly takes only 3 steps. V500 Standard UAV Manager Pro version. Capable of route planning, flight monitor and maintenance. Maximum takeoff altitude 5 kilometers. Can withstand 7 levels of wind. Altitude ceiling 7 kilometers. The real work height can reach 3 kilometers. Maximum flight distance 150 kilometers. Digital transmission range up to 25 kilometers. It has a long battery endurance of 3 hours. Get a wider range of data in one job. V500 has the function of precise terrain following flight. High-resolution terrain data with large height difference can be obtained simultaneously. Standard high-precision differential. GNSS network interface card and network RTK and PPK service. It can realize a wide range of high-precision GCP-free mapping. Effectively improve work efficiency and line measurement accuracy. V500 drone system.